Hello everybody, I'm going to be talking to you about Google Drive and specifically how to share documents on Google Drive. Google Drive is nice because it allows you to work on a project on one computer and then go ahead and pick it up on another computer somewhere else just by logging into your account. It automatically saves your work and you can share your projects either to be viewed or edited by someone else. So to get started, you're just going to want to sign into your Google account or create one if you don't have one. If you've already signed in on your computer, there should be a list of accounts that you can pick yours from there. If not, you're just going to come in and use another account, sign in, or if you don't have an account, you can create one for free right there by clicking on more options. So I'm just going to sign into mine real quick. Okay, and then you're going to want to come up here to applications, this square of little squares. Click on Drive. And you can either start a new document, and you can either do Sheets, which is like Excel, or Slides, which is like PowerPoint. But we're just going to do Docs to keep it simple. And you can type in whatever you want here and share it with somebody else. I'm going to save it first. And then you can just type in, it would have to be another Google account that they have, but you would enter in their Gmail account, click done, and it'll share it with them. And on their end, they can just come into their drive after they sign in, and it'll be in here within their other documents. And just to show, I have one here that's already been shared. And as you're working in it together, it should give you live updates. As you can see, the other person right here, they can type in and do whatever they want as I'm typing in. So yeah, Google Drive is just a nice way to work on the cloud and not have to carry around a flash drive or anything like that, and work on projects and not have to actually meet with the person physically. You can just do it all online. Thank you.